Vermont has strong tenant protections, and the state's landlord entry rules give tenants a meaningful amount of advance notice before a landlord can access their unit. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Here's what Vermont law requires for landlord entry. Vermont requires landlords to give at least 48 hours advance notice before entering a rental unit for non-emergency purposes. This 2-day requirement is among the stricter notice standards in the country, so Vermont landlords need to plan property visits well ahead of time. Entry must take place at a reasonable time. Vermont law does not define specific hours, but normal daytime business hours are the expected standard. Very early morning or evening entry, even with proper notice, would likely not meet the reasonableness test. Vermont permits landlord entry for making repairs or improvements, conducting inspections, showing the property to prospective tenants or buyers, and any entry the tenant has specifically agreed to. Emergency entry without prior notice is permitted in Vermont when there is a genuine and immediate threat to the property or the safety of its occupants, fire, flooding, a burst pipe, or similar urgent situations. If a Vermont landlord enters without the required 48-hour notice or uses entry to interfere with the tenant's peaceful enjoyment, the tenant may seek damages and may terminate the lease. Vermont courts take tenant rights seriously. Vermont's 48-hour requirement means scheduling ahead is essential. Build that lead time into your maintenance planning and property management routine, and you'll stay fully compliant with Vermont landlord tenant law. For complete landlord resources and tenant screening tools, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.